Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the slow motion test on this Mi10i 5G device. As you can see, friends, this is the Mi10i 5G. So phone has the 108 megapixel lens, and in this video, I'll try to show you what are the features you are getting in the camera application. And in here, I do have this kind of lighter, so which I'll be testing the slow motion test using this lighter as well. So let's see, friends, how much smooth the camera will be able to record, and is it makes any difference having the 108 megapixel camera or not. So same kind of test, the slow motion test I did on the POCO X3 as well. As you can see, friends, I'll try to compare the footage later on in another video, but in this video let's stick only to this Mi10i 5G device particularly. And just in case if you are watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe and also do support me, friends, by subscribing. So kindly subscribe and also share my videos with your friends as well, just in case if they are planning to buy the mobile phones, so they should know all the things about this device A to Z. So everything I'm trying to upload in my playlist, as you can see here. So try to check the playlist for more details about this device, and even for the live wallpapers what I'm using in my videos, you can find even those videos as well for this kind of TikTok live wallpaper as well. And let's get started, friends. And you can find the slow motion option by going to the more option here, and once you're in the more settings, and you can find the slow motion. Just by clicking on the slow motion, you will be welcoming with this kind of slow motion interface, and just tap on these three lines. So once you tap on the three lines, by default you will be set to the 120 fps at 720 resolution, as you can see. So 240 fps 720 resolution, only 120 fps is possible at 1080. As you can see, friends, whenever you change to the 240 fps, it will automatically go to the 720 and 960 and 720. So in terms of the software thing, so there is nothing difference between the 108 megapixel and between the 64 megapixel. So there is nothing difference at all. So same kind of settings is present in both the phones. So that is the one thing to remember. And let me try to do this kind of 960 fps slow motion test here. So there is no super or hyper slow motion, so which I did expect to have close to, I think, 7000 slow motion that is present in the Hawaii phones, but that's not there here in this phone. So that's only the maximum limit up to 960 fps only. So here I got the lighter, and right now I'll try to record the slow motion shot using this Mi10i 5G device in the dark conditions. So again, I'll be back once I record these slow motion shots. So finally, friends, I got the slow motion shots recorded using this Mi10i device, using this slow motion test, the lighter test. So let me try to show you the lighting, what's going on here. So all of the image quality is really good, friends. As you can see here, you can here clearly zoom into the image. As you can see the frame, how much slow it is, as you can see here. So let me try to play the video again from the beginning. Just observe the sparks, how you are getting, as you can see, friends. And even you can decrease the speed, I think. So let me try to show you. So this option, playing at 0.5x speed, so with a little bit kind of slow speed. As you can see, the flame coming upside. So it's really good, friends. In the 960 fps it's working fine, but I did not find any much details when you compare with the 64 megapixel. I'll try to do the separate video side by side comparison, but right now in this video let me try to explain you what's going on and what are the few options available here. So first thing is that once you record the video, so let me try to show you, friends. And once you record, you will see this option called, as you can see, small balls type option. So slow motion, as you can see. So here you won't be able to see the reason, because this is the original video. So this is the actual video which I have recorded 960 fps. And once you record the original video, you have this option called this one. So now you can change the position, so where you want the slow motion to be done. So this is a really good feature, friends, just in case if you miss the slow motion shot for the time frame. So this will be able to you can adjust easily what time you prefer to use a slow motion shot. As you can see, exactly when you want fire or where you want, as you can see, friends. So this is how you can do it. And once you click that, you can just click on the tick button, and the video will be created automatically. And this is how you can actually improve lot of slow motion shots, friends. So you don't need to get that particular moment every time. So by using this option, you can even change whenever you want. As you can see right now, the fire it is. So even you can zoom in. So that is what I like here. So you can zoom in how much you want till the frame. So this is a clarity you will be getting here. As you can see, friends, let me try to play again. As you can see here, so overall the slow motion shot is really good in this phone, so no issues at all. So it's kind of really good. And having the option of changing any timeline is really interesting thing, friends. So most of the users they cannot get that particular shot, so this is just the lighter shot. So I'll try to do, if I can, I'll try to do another slow motion test videos as well in this Mi 10i 5G device, using the different objects and using different scenarios. So make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts about this slow motion recording. And let me show you the actual file, the original file which was supposed to be there. So this is the original file. Let me show the size. So what the size of this original file size is, as you can see, 20 MB. So 20 MB for the 10 seconds of clip. So the 10 seconds of clip will be recorded every time you record the slow motion shot. So you won't be able to record more than 10 seconds, I think. So 10 seconds is a minimum time required. And maybe if you change to the 240 resolution, the timing might be different, I think. So the timing you will be getting unlimited, I think, here, as you can see here, the time. So only if you're using the 960 fps only, the time will be limited to 10 seconds. So that's what the problem is. So let me even show you the video clip of the 240 fps which I recorded right now. The video size is of close to 10 I think, as you can see. So 10 seconds. So this is a thing which I recorded with the 240 fps. So this is a slow motion shot. So this is not smooth as before, like the 960 fps shot. So that's what I did notice here. The 960 fps, as you can see the really slow motion of the flame going on, but not in the 240. As you can see, friends, this is a 960. You can see the flame coming really slow. And that's it, friends. This is a quick review on this Mi 10i 5G device using a slow motion test. So this was the video which was requested by so many users, and it is a video for you all. And these are the few options which is available, and there is nothing much special and nothing much to do with the 108 megapixel lens which is present in this phone. So there is nothing special about that, so you need to remember that thing as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.